So it's the end of the day for me now, and I'm quite tired. I've had a successful day, I think. I hope you've enjoyed coming behind the scenes with me. I want to finish off by sharing with you what I do as my end of the day ritual. I have a sofa over there, and it's got a blanket, and I like to fill up my hot water bottle with hot water and put it on my chest, actually, because the weight of that on me and the blanket, it holds me. So that is my grounding, my anchoring from the storm. And I do that at the end of every day. And I'll go and lie over there, and I'll close my eyes, and I'll go inside my body, and then I will journal again. So I want to share with you what I will journal. Those of you that have got my This Is Your Life journal, this is taken from this journal. So let me show you. It looks like that. Oh, it's probably back to front on here. It looks like that. It's a digital journal. You can get it online. And it's got a morning check-in and evening check-in. So I'm going to share the evening check-in with you because this is what I do at the end of the day. And so I thought, well, I'll let everyone else see what it is, because that will help. Right, where's the evening check-in? Can't see, I haven't got the bins on. So at the end of the day, I say what I'm letting go of. So I'm letting go today of my frustrations with, you know, the fact that my life isn't the way I want it to be right now, and I'm trying to be accepting and just being in the now. And that's not easy to do, as you can see from the video what's going on. But I want you to see that I'm a real person. I may be a life coach. I may be great at sitting with other people's pain. I may write books and poems and be a teacher of journaling, but I'm also a human, and I'm faced with the same challenges that you are every day. And I hope by getting some insight into my life, you can see that about me. What else am I letting go of today? I think that's it, actually. So it's really important to just tune into your body. Maybe when I lie down and tune in over there, something else will come through. Sometimes when you've been writing all day, stuff's bubbling under the surface and it hasn't quite poked its head out. And then what went well today? Well, I wrote over 1,000 words today. I edited a lot of pages. I have made this video for you, which I really enjoyed doing, actually. It's been quite good fun. I'm not the best videographer, but I've just done it on my phone, so we'll just see, you know, what you think of it, and if it's of interest to you, if it's helpful. What else went well today? I think that's it. I mean, despite not feeling well this morning, when I woke up, I feel like I haven't been that tired. It's just drinking that bottle of water first thing in the morning that really makes a difference. What am I thankful for? I am actually thankful that I have a roof over my head, because living with complex trauma is really hard. It's like an invisible illness, and it takes a lot of energy out of you. So I don't know if you know about spoon theory, but when you've got an invisible illness or a chronic illness, you've only got so many spoons of energy every day, and everything you do takes up the spoons. So I have a habit of like over functioning and overdoing, so I use all my spoons up very early on in the day, and then I'm really tired. So I am thankful for my resilience. I'm thankful for a roof over my head. I'm thankful for you being here and being part of this community. I'm thankful for my curiosity. That's what sort of drives me on. I'm thankful because yesterday I got a new streaming box from Virgin. So because the package that I'm on at the moment with Virgin is too expensive for me, and I wanted to leave, but I was locked into a contract. And then when I told them I was on Universal Credit, they offered me something else. So I got a little streaming box yesterday. It's tiny, it's about that big. So I'm going to watch something on there in a minute when I've done my journaling. How do I feel today? So I invite you now to just close your eyes, put your hand on your heart, just go inside your body and notice where there's tension. So my tummy's still quite sore from last night. I've got sort of like a fizzy, excited feeling in my tummy, which is making me smile. So, you know, it's possible to feel more than one thing at once. It's possible to be disappointed and upset and angry and and annoyed about the injustice of what's happening on, but it's also possible to feel joy and let that in at the same time. So the journal then invites you to colour in the hearts. I don't know if you can see that on there, if the ring light's going to get in the way. There's some little hearts there, and you colour them in, and it says colour the hearts. The more expansive your energy feels, the more you colour in. And then there's the serenity prayer. We all know the serenity prayer, so it's about letting go of what we can't control. Grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. So instead of putting my energy onto things that I can't change and I can't control, I'm channeling my energy into writing my book and creating the new. And that actually fills my cup up, and that feels a lot better. What do I truly desire? What I truly desire is to create a sanctuary for highly sensitive people to come together. And I hope this channel is that space where we can, you know, meet each other in the comments and talk about things and talk openly and freely without feeling shame or feeling worried that we're being judged or worrying about what other people think of us. It's very difficult when you've got trauma because we tend to self-isolate. That's how we cope with our pain. And I want to say to the universe, I don't want those people to struggle alone. Let's all come together and you know, get to know one another. Excuse me. Excuse me. And then at the bottom, there's self-appreciation and celebration. Notice something you like about yourself when you look in the mirror. And acknowledge what you've done well, where you've made effort, praise yourself and feel proud. This builds self-trust and self-worth. So I often do that for my inner child who gets down on herself really easily. So I'll say to her, you did really good today. This was hard today and we dealt with that, and this was a bit tricky and we navigated that. And now we can down tools, get our hot water bottle and have a little rest because we've finished work now, and we can relax and rest. So yes, that is the end of my day. So I shall poodle off now and go and get on with the rest with my journaling, and I will chill out and relax for the rest of the evening. I hope you've had a lovely day. It's been really nice hanging out with you today, and if you like this video, please give it a like, and I would love to meet more of you. So write in the comments below if things that I've said, anything I've said today resonates with you, because by speaking up and saying, oh, that resonates with you, then the next person that reads the comments and watches the video will go, oh, it's not just me that feels like that. It just creates a feeling of validation and togetherness and not separateness, which I feel there is so much separateness in the world right now, so much separateness. Social media, as wonderful it is that I can connect with you like this. When I was in the cafe today writing, I just looked at everyone on their phones. And I mean, even people that were having lunch with one another, they were literally scoffing their lunch down, scrolling through their phones, sat with a person and then rushing out again. And I watched loads of people do that, and I thought, there's no connection, there's no togetherness. And our trauma already disconnects us from ourselves. It already disconnects us from ourselves. And so it's learning to reconnect with ourselves and reconnecting with others, and coming together and being there for one another. Okay, I shall see you again soon. Take care. Bye for now.